Puwede pa rin po bang mag-apply ng spousal sponsorship kahit under restoration status, Miss Mel?
Well, anong klaseng spousal sponsorship ang pinag-uusapan natin? Ikaw ba ang principal applicant ba? Is meron ng in-apply na application for working visa or kung ano man yan para makapag-apply ng spousal sponsorship? There's a lot of things that we need to know first bago natin masagot kung yung spousal sponsorship ay po pwede under restoration.
And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success, and also we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community, mga kap. The link is in the description below, or simply type in the comment section access, and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much, mga kap, and signing out. Maraming salamat, mga kap, and see you here in Canada.